Alright, so here's the customer screen pops up. I think I have a customer here, so it's a cash customer. And so we have that here like a generic account setup. We have others. Look right here, and we have summary of all detail, shipping address, some details, which has a price level and so forth, email and different phone number. There's a place you can put notes under the account. They have different phones for different employees that work there, cell phones, and pending transactions, a history of what they bought. AR balance shows you what he owes. Alright, different authorized buyers. This is a program for loyalty. We'll discuss that later. We do pictures of the shop. Keep credit cards on file. I don't really use that. Don't use that. So this is documents, so we can scan documents under the account. So I guess that would be photos under the user. So that's one of the things we'd like to continue. And then so here, this is the details. Of course, all the address, email, phone numbers, email mailing list. This is where you change the credit limit right here. And the terms. Alright, we got different price levels. Showed you that in the other one. And this is require PO, that's the other one. So the guy requires a PO. I don't use those two at all. So those are kind of the main things. Okay, so take a look at that. Let's go from there.